Welcome students. In this video we'll be talking about the area of an equilateral triangle and its derivative. So suppose the equilateral triangle all the sides have side length x. So length equal to x. So we know the area 8 of x is equal to 3/4 x squared. We know that from basic geometry. Now we're gonna take the derivative of 8 of x. So taking the derivative of 8 of x, then a prime of x is equal to 3/4 times 2x using the power rule. And of course here we can simplify this. We can get rid of 1 and 2 here. So a prime of x is equal to 3/2 times x. So what are the units of a prime of x? The units are, so if you can see here, is x is in terms of x, so the units are in, so let's say we're talking about x in inches. Then x, the units of a prime of x will be in inches. So this will be our derivative. So this will be the rate of change. Rate of change of the area of that triangle with respect to a side of x inches. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.